Hey there, good morning. It's Wednesday, and this is the Three Fedora newsroom. I just kind of got nervous because there's a big shadow over there. I'm sure it's just a bird. Am I? Anyway, let's get to the news. Nature news. This reporter, it was a squirrel. I swear. This reporter spotted a red-breasted grosbeak over the weekend on the feeder. Now, I haven't seen one of these in about a decade. I saw one at the school on the feeder there, way back when Sandy still worked there, so that's quite some time ago. Also spotted this weekend down at the swamp what I originally thought was a turd on a mound, right? You know how animals, like go in the middle of a trail, like on the highest point? That's what I thought it was, but upon closer looking, I think it was a young northern water snake. I kept my distance because not my favorite thing. Moving on to school news, Louise is starting a geocaching club. This is a worldwide treasure hunt started back in the year 2000. Now there are millions of caches worldwide, and they can be found using website geocaching.com and GPS. And once you find one, that's only half the fun. Apparently opening them, it's like a puzzle box once you get there. Really exciting. She says there's over 3,000 hidden in the Pittsfield area. Her club is she's gonna hide some, I think, around the school grounds. They're gonna do that, and then hopefully they'll do one day out and looking for one. That sounds super exciting. Preschool went on a field trip the other day, and I asked them how it was, and the student said Ioka Farm was great, and I was like, you went to Hancock Shaker to see the baby animals, but hey, you named a farm in town, in Pittsfield area, so big winnings there. I got time. So further news, Kate celebrated Cinco de Mayo with her 93-year-old grandmother with some chips, salsa, and apple juice. Yum. Is it? So much fun. Shout out to both of them celebrating Cinco de Mayo. So today's weather, it goes here. Today's weather, we are going to see the sun. There'll be some clouds, but it's going to be up in the 60s. And you know what I say? Get outside, do something fun. I'm out from the Three Fedora newsroom. Bye-bye.